Breaking news. APC names Secretariat after Buhari as President approves Congresses for July. The caretaker Extraordinary Convention Planning Committee of the ruling All Progressive Congress APC has renamed the National Secretariat of the party on Blattau Street in the Eyebrow Woods, a district of Abuja, after President Muhammadu Buhari. National Chairman of the CECPC, Governor Mai Mala Buni of Yobe State, who disclosed this on Friday in Abuja when he led the CECPC to present a progress report to the President, said henceforth the building is now to be known as President House, President Muhammadu Buhari's house. I also have the honor to inform you that in recognition of the untiring leadership role you have provided to our great party and the nation, and the democratic legacy you have put in place, the CECPC has approved to name the National Secretary of the National Secretariat of the party after you, President Muhammadu Buhari. The Secretariat will henceforth be known as Buhari House, Governor Buni disclosed. Though it was initially a rented apartment, the administration of the Chief John Odige Onyegun had taken steps as chairman of the party to purchase the Secretariat. At the meeting, the President also approved the timelines for the conduct of walls, local government and state congresses of his ruling All Progressive Congress APC, as presented to him by the party CECPC. The National Secretary of the CECPC, St. John James, disclosed this in a statement issued Friday in Abuja. He said that the President granted the approval after detailed consideration of the progress report, the set schedule of outstanding activities with regards to congresses, the National Convention, and the forthcoming Anambra governorship election. The President also approved the timetable for APC, local governments, and state congress. World Congresses will hold 24th of July 2021, followed by the government's congresses on 14 August 2021 and state congresses on 18th September 2021. The CECPC National Chairman and Governor of Yobe State, H.E. Mai Bala Bunu, on Friday also represented a summary of the committee's progress report to President at the State House in Abuja. It could be recalled that at its last meeting, the National Executive Committee NEC confirmed on the caretaking Extraordinary Convention Planning Committee the power of the National Convention, which is in line with powers provided in Article 13.3 of the party's constitution. The national chairman had the President's approval to review the timeline available for the CECPC, he stated. The chairman was accompanied by other CECPC members, including Governor Isaka Oyetola, Governor Abubakar Sani Bello, Ken Nnamani, Sen Abubakar Yusuf, Akinyemi Olaide, Mrs. Stella Okotele, Mr. James Lulu, Chief David Lion, Abba Ali, Tai Maman, Ismail Ahmed, and the CECPC National Secretary John James. By the approved CECPC decision, the tenure of the caretaker committees at each level from ward, local government, state and national will end immediately elections are held at their respective levels, and also its officers immediate take oath of office, terminating with the national convention. At the meeting, the CECPC national chairman expressed the profound gratitude of members of the committee to the president and members of the National Executive Committee (NEC) for the trust, confidence and the opportunity given to them to serve the party. He stated. So Governor Mahir Mala Buni informed the president that the CECPC, as during the period under review, led the party to contest in several elections and by-elections with overall success rate of 95% on the peace and reconciliation efforts. The CECPC national chairman informed the president that the committee commenced its assignment on a desire to foster genuine reconciliation on solid foundation by giving all issues and every aggrieved members fair hearing and objectively placing party interest above individual interests. Thank you, viewers, for listening to this news. Wow, you can imagine a failed party is also talking. You can imagine, with their negative ways of doing things, you are naming a party secretariat after a failed federal government, a failed president. This is why our country cannot move forward, because we fail to tell our leaders the truth. So if we tell our leaders the truth, rather we keep praising the leaders, deceiving ourselves, deceiving them, instead of going straight, telling them the truth and telling them how they are wrong in doing things. We are there praising them. You can imagine, instead of APC to name their secretariat after a hard-working farmer who contributes to the growth of our country, they are naming it after APC leader, President Muhammadu Buhari. You can imagine. Is this not stupidity? So stupid of them. They will see the truth, they will not say, they will not let it out. They will keep being foolish until they are being destroyed totally. You can imagine. Fools. So viewers, what is your take on this? Please, I urge you to drop your comment below the comment box, as well as clicking on the bell button to receive notifications whenever we upload new videos. Thank you.